Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Today we will continue our exciting journey of creating your 3D iPhone 15 model. In this video, we'll take the next step by bringing it to life with a stunningly realistic render using KeyShot. Get ready to see your design transform with incredible detail and clarity. Let's import the iPhone 15 model that we did from the previous tutorial. I'll drop a link in the description for the project files for the new viewers and subscribers. Use it wisely. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So, no cheating. Unless, of course, you're trying to impress your cat, then it's totally acceptable. If you're lost on how to use KeyShot, just drop a comment below and I'll whip up a tutorial. But here's the deal. I'll only do it if we hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. So smash that subscribe button like it's your morning coffee. Alright, buckle up, because we're about to dive into texturing in KeyShot, and let me tell you, it's easier than brewing your morning coffee. Seriously, forget complicated setups and confusing interfaces. With KeyShot, it's like having your own personal barista. Just a few clicks, and voila! Your model is dressed to impress. So grab your virtual apron and get ready to sprinkle some digital espresso magic on your creations. KeyShot is your go-to standalone program for jaw-dropping 3D renderings, animations, and interactive visuals, all thanks to its real-time ray tracing and global illumination magic. The best part? Its CPU-based architecture means you can achieve photorealistic rendering on both Mac and PC, even on your trusty laptop, without needing a high-end graphics card. Get ready to bring your creations to life, no supercomputer required. We're on the home stretch, folks. Time to add some pizzazz with animation and give you just a taste of the KeyShot magic. Get ready to witness your creation-busting moves like it's auditioning for a Pixar film. Let's animate this bad boy and show you why KeyShot is the secret sauce to making your projects pop. If you're new to the channel, please give it a thumbs up, ring that notification bell, and hit subscribe for more amazing content. Help us grow and reach our first 1,000 subscribers.